What is going on YouTube? Tom here, and today finally got a new camera. So if y'all remember a while ago, I made a little vlog talking about me taking a photography class and hopefully in the future taking a film class while I'm in school. Some of you also might know, if you followed this channel for a while, this week I started my master's degree. And of course I decided to go ahead and take an entry-level photography class, somewhat as a GPA booster, but also to learn some skills that I can take with me to help grow, like such things as my Instagram, and also sort of get a foot in the door in that department. And then on top of that, finally have an excuse to buy a DSLR camera. So of course, here it is. Ordered this through Best Buy because they had a reasonable deal. Now if I can even get it open. I've had this new philosophy. I think whenever you try to do something on camera, it never seems to work as well as when you're doing it off camera. I'm not usually one to make unboxing videos, but I figured today I'll give it my chance. Now, I went ahead and ordered through Best Buy the video creators pack of this particular camera. Now the camera I decided to go ahead and order was a Canon Rebel T7i, and that way it's got everything I want it to do. I've got things like the flip out screen, got Bluetooth capability, things like that things like the GoPro just simply doesn't have. GoPro has of course the Bluetooth, but that's about it. GoPro of course can't zoom, it can't change anything like the aperture settings, you can't do things like that. Of course I've been bringing the camera with me the first couple of classes just because I needed a video, or not even a video camera, an actual camera to take pictures, so that way they couldn't fail me or anything. But let's go ahead and get this box open. Here we go. I got the camera. Can't tell, does that have my address on it? No, it doesn't. Okay, so I'll show you this half the box. Just try not to get my address in video. Of course, the creators pack, it's going to come with some more stuff. Now, normally this retails for $1,000. It was on sale for $800. Still a lot of money, more than I honestly wanted to spend at this time. Basically, this is my car part money for the rest of the year. Don't expect much in terms of car parts, but at the end of the day, it'll pay for itself as this channel grows. Of course, number one does come with a memory card. We got a 32 gig card. Let's pull out the stuff here, trying not to damage anything. It's all nicely packed. Of course, the Rode Video Mic Go. I can't even remember which one is the one I got for my GoPro, but I've also got another Rode microphone, and I've been pretty happy with it. And of course, I guess we got our camera itself. So there's not much else to this box other than that. I honestly have no idea what this microphone retails for. I might have to actually look it up now. Here it is, what I paid all this money for. We got our, what is this here? Our limited warranty. Of course, the first thing they said was, hey, why don't you get the extended warranty? Covers drops. Well, they usually come with a warranty. We got our manual here. Nice thick little manual. The actual first assignment of the class was to read the manual. Of course, what do we have here? We should have the lens. Set that aside. More than likely the battery pack. Second, I don't know what this all is. Of course, piece de la résistance. Camera body itself. And we should have, what is that? The strap goes around your neck so you don't drop it. It's always important. I think that's everything in here. It's going off of everything that at least the website said I should get. There's the camera body, that's kind of the First big deal in my opinion. This camera body is important. It's kind of like, this is where it all starts right here, is the body of the camera. And this nice fresh camera feeling. Am I professional yet? Man. Hopefully all this was worth it, because man, I paid a pretty penny for this camera. May have to charge this up before I decide to hop into using it. Yep, we got a zoom lens here. Yeah, it looks like this is specifically for image stabilization. Microphone. Of course, man, this is gonna... Problem is, this is really gonna make the GoPro look bad. I got the GoPro set up over here, and it's like, man, it's a lot nicer of a setup. I have to look up some more specs on this particular microphone, because I'm kind of new to this microphone. I always just said that if I upgraded to a DSLR, it would be fine. I can use the microphone I've got for the GoPro again. But this kind of just, this was like, you know what, might as well upgrade to the next level. The built-in wind deflector, that's actually a good thing. Let's wrap this around. Plug it into the microphone slot. I'm gonna have to learn this camera a little bit, because this, man, this is more camera than I've ever had in my life. Definitely gonna have to figure it out. But man, I'm happy with it so far, just the looks of it. Let's see if this battery, these batteries works. Alright, battery is not charged all the way, but I'm impatient. I want to play with my new camera. It can wait. It just fine, slightly less than full charged. Put the battery in the right way. Just gotta get used to that. Turn this thing on. Okay, guess I'm gonna have to go ahead and sensor cleaning. Guess I'm gonna have to go ahead and put card in the camera. That's why I got one, right? Should have scissors right in front of me. Or am I still in video mode? Intelligent audio. There we go. I'm sitting here trying to take video this whole time. Turns out, or trying to take a picture, and turns out I'm in video mode. Moral of the story with your camera, learn how to use it first. Gotta become acquainted with this camera. Yeah, how do I get the flash to go down? So you all are watching me learn how to use it. At the same time, I'm learning how to use it. Somehow. No idea what this button does. Okay, that's the video. That's why this button does nothing. That's the focus. Then I push here to record. Alright, so I should be on the camera. This should be using the native microphones on here. I should be filming a video. I have no idea. I'm probably really close to the screen, but how y'all doing today? Alright, are we rolling? Got GoPro in the background over here. This is something I can do that I just couldn't do with the GoPro. I can actually zoom now. I'm gonna have to mess around with all the different settings here. Should be able to focus it too, but I probably have to do an autofocus button, so I can just hit the focus. If I want to mess with that, we got image stabilization. We'll go ahead and turn that on. I'm gonna experiment with this because I'm new to this whole DSLR thing. This is really only the first time I've used one. Probably gonna experiment over this weekend. That was kind of the homework assignment, was to get acquainted with the camera. So
so far, within the last few minutes, I'm pretty happy with it. One of the big problems I'm noticing right away, it is a little bit heavier than the GoPro. Not by much, but every bit of weight matters. Like if I'm going around at a car show and I'm walking around, but in the night my arms might be pretty sore. You know, I got little chicken arms here, so it's something to keep in mind. Yes, I do have to hold it away from myself. This definitely will not be the main vlogging camera. I may even see if this microphone works on the GoPro, because I might have to see, because it might not be the, you know, the absolute best choice here, but this thing was expensive, so I really hope this is worth it. I mean, I can zoom finally. I have the little screen out right now. You can probably see my eyes wandering around. Just in case, if you know, it gets distracting for you all. Do the street speed / Casey Neistat trick of vlogging. It's nighttime right now, and I've got sunglasses on. But I'm definitely going to go around and take some pictures with this thing. Really going to try to learn it, because so far, I'm pretty happy with it. I cannot imagine this. I keep looking at this camera like, wow, this is my camera now. First time in my life I own a DSLR. I'm not borrowing a DSLR. But I know this vlog isn't the absolute greatest, but oh well. It lights a little bit better right here. I know this isn't the greatest vlog, but definitely let me know in the comment section below what you all think about it, because what do y'all want to see first with this DSLR? Because I'm excited to get out and use it. I'm probably going to take it to a car show this week. Probably, by the time you all see this, it'll be the day of, but next week you should see the first vlog I make with this camera. So I'm pretty excited for that, because I found out at my school, because I'm a student, I actually get access to better software, better video editing software. I get the Adobe Creative Cloud, so I'm actually excited for that. I'm definitely going to use that while I can. So it means Adobe Premiere, the video editing software, is going to come, possibly, because it's supposed to be you can pick it, and like I said, I do want to take a film class next semester, if I can have it open. So that'll be great, because I can learn how to use this more, I can learn how to edit better, which I like, because that makes my channel better, makes me better as a YouTuber, which I really am and looking forward to. So definitely, like I said before, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. Like, are you all as excited as I am for this camera? What do you all want to see first with my DSLR? If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. You can see just camera alone. I'm having fun looking at myself in this screen focusing. I've got some exciting content planned with this camera, and I can't wait to dive deep into this. I really want to get to know this camera a lot. I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures pretty soon, so you are stopping in for the first time. Like I said, please subscribe. You know, y'all are going to witness history in the making here with my channel. Anyway, take care, have a good night.